Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Igms vacation rental software app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Igms is a vacation rental management platform designed for hosts and property managers who want to automate their daily operations. It supports Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, and direct booking sites, allowing users to manage multiple properties from a single dashboard. The app provides automated guest messaging, a unified inbox, smart task assignments for cleaners, financial reporting tools, and a multi-calendar to view all reservations in one place. The app's main feature is its automation suite, allowing hosts to schedule messages, coordinate cleanings, manage check-ins, and sync calendars across booking channels. It also sends notifications for new inquiries, booking updates, and cleaner task progress. For property managers, the app offers team management tools, permissions, and detailed performance tracking. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ability to reduce manual work, improve response time, and keep all bookings synchronized across platforms. Hosts managing several listings especially benefit from its consolidated calendar, automated workflows, and integration with major booking channels. The app also helps reduce errors by keeping communication and tasks organized in one place. However, there are some drawbacks. Igms can feel overwhelming for new users, especially those unfamiliar with property management software. Some users mention occasional syncing delays between platforms, and many advanced tools, such as premium automation and expanded integrations, require a subscription. Additionally, features may vary depending on the booking channel integrations. In summary, the Igms app may be worth using if you manage multiple vacation rentals, want to automate guest communication, streamline cleaning coordination, and keep your booking channels synced. However, if you manage only one property or prefer doing tasks manually without automation tools, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.